Hello guys, in this video we are going to unbox and compare the MX Masters 3 for Mac and the MX Anywhere 3. So these are some of the best mouses right now on the market and people are comparing them. So I thought we should unbox both of them and compare which one is better for you. So let's start with the less exciting one with the MX Anywhere 3. So both are in the same color. As you can see, these are the white ones. And let's open them up to see how they look and work. So the unboxing experience is I would say above average for mouses. I mean, what can you expect from a mouse? But the Logi MX series is usually the highest quality in the mouse and keyboard market. So let's see the Anywhere 3. So it's pretty tiny, as you might expect. That's the whole branding of it, that it is the Anywhere version. Let's take this out. So it also has a connector if you have a computer that does not support Bluetooth, but obviously you can just connect it to your devices, to your Mac, or even to tablets as well without any connections, just with Bluetooth. It has a cable with a USB-C, so you can charge it with this one. But obviously, if you have a USB-C around, you don't even have to carry this. I usually don't even take them out of the box because it's easier to charge everything with one cable. That's the beauty of the USB-C. So let's peel this off. As you can see, you can connect it up to 3 devices, which is very convenient if you have multiple computers, or if you want to use it on your tablet as well, you can connect everything. Nice. So this is how it looks. It has the flagship Logi MX series scroller, which is just amazing. You can switch between the 2 types of scrolling. This is the smooth scrolling, where you can just spin it and scroll many lines at once, or you can just turn this on and now it works like a regular scroller. But the cool thing is that even if you have it in this mode, you can still spin it as well. So that's the MX Anywhere. You can program all these buttons to do whatever you want to do with them. It's very easy to switch between devices. You just press this button and you can switch to a different device. Let's see how it sounds. I mean, it's pretty normal. Let's see the MX Masters 3S. This is the big boy. It is made for Mac, so you can choose between the Mac and the Windows version. Let's open it up. I would say the box, even from the beginning, it feels a little bit more high quality, but it should be because the price is almost twice as high. Okay, so pull this out. The inside box is pretty much the same, I think. Yeah, same design, same material, so not much changes there. And let's reveal the mouse. That's the MX Masters 3. Yes, let's see what else do we got in the box. Not much. Here's some paperwork and cable. We don't need this. Let's see the mouse. Let's peel it off. The same information here as on the other one. Nice. So let's compare the sizes. I mean, it's substantially bigger. As you can see, it's a thick boy. But it has the same buttons here and some extra. So you have this scroller wheel on the side, so you can scroll sideways as well. And you can obviously, in the Logi Plus app, you can program all these buttons, even on the small one and on this one as well, to do different things in different applications. For example, I use this when I'm editing videos, just to scroll on the editing line. And this one also has a button here, as you can see, which you can also program. It has the same settings, you can switch between devices like this. Very cool. The scroller is also the same. As you can see, I can spin them both and they spin the same way, same technology, but the sound is different. So this was the Anywhere mouse and this is the MX Masters 3S. It's very silent. So that's pretty much it, the comparison. The hand ergonomics is, I think it depends on your hand size and on your preference. I like this style. The only drawback I would say is that it's pretty heavy. So if you use it all day, you can feel it, that it's heavy. This one is a lot easier. If you travel a lot, you can just throw it in your backpack. That's why it's called Anywhere. And you can use it easily on any surface, even on glass. So that's pretty much it for the comparison. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.